Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into your Squarespace dashboard and opening the site you'll edit. Once logged in, make sure you have editor rights and that either commerce or scheduling is enabled depending on whether you'll sell or book services. Next, go to Pages and choose the page where services belong or add a new services page. This sets the container. Once done, open that page's editor and prepare to add a new service block or product entry so you can start entering details. You now create the actual service entry. Click Add Block or Add Product and pick a service layout. Fill the title and write a concise description that explains value and outcomes. This helps conversions. Then set price and duration, add SKU or category for organization, and upload a representative image. Next, configure booking rules or inventory, availability windows, staff assignment, and any variants or extras. Make sure to save as you go so nothing is lost, and you maintain a clear listing structure. Finish by reviewing the service entry. Optimize the SEO title and description, set a clear call to action, and confirm cancellation and refund policies. Once satisfied, publish the page and check the layout on mobile and desktop. Then run a full test booking or purchase using a test card or a low-value transaction to confirm workflows. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, confirm site permissions, and inspect payment gateway credentials. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.